Tired of drowning in a sea of paper receipts every single tax season? What if you could organize your receipts, track your business expenses, and prep for your taxes all in one place without the headache? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're looking at Neat, an all-in-one expense management and receipt tracking app designed specifically for freelancers and small businesses. So what exactly is Neat? Simply put, it's a digital ecosystem designed to make expense management feel less like accounting. If you're running a business, your expenses are probably scattered everywhere, from software subscriptions and travel to client meals and office supplies. Neat pulls all of these transactions together into one clean dashboard, so you always know exactly where your money is going. Let's talk about the features that make this tool stand out. First up is automatic expense categorization. Instead of manually typing in every transaction, Neat helps categorize them for you. You also get real-time spending visibility, meaning no end-of-the-month surprises. If you need to find a specific transaction from months ago, you don't have to dig through folders. You can instantly search your digital archive by vendor, date, or amount. And when it's time to report those numbers, you can generate simple, shareable expense reports with just a few clicks. Now, let's look at what actual users have to say. On their website, Neat showcases over 4,200 five-star reviews, with many long-term customers using the platform for over 10 to 15 years. Users like Deborah Way mention how easy it is to load their receipts and send them straight to their CPA. Another user, Robert S., highlights that Neat's digital archiving completely eliminated their physical filing cabinets, saving space and giving them peace of mind that their files are backed up safely. As a quick heads up, while the on-site testimonials are incredibly positive, we don't have independent external review sources configured for our analysis today, so we highly recommend taking advantage of their trial to see how it integrates with your specific bank and workflow. If you want to stop hoarding paper receipts and finally get your business finances organized for 2026, Neat is a fantastic time-saving place to start. They currently offer a free trial to let you test out the platform, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can cancel anytime. Head over to neat.com to try it for free today. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more business tool tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you currently manage your receipts. See you in the next video.